I don't know whose idea it was to start drinking at 10 a.m., but that's what we're doing. We're back at Stanley Ranch. Yes, I was just here 2 weeks ago, and I'm back. But this time I brought the crew. Those girls. And those girls who've left us. Hi guys. Good morning. I actually came with some wine drinkers this time. So let's see how these next couple days go. Say hi guys.
Hi. Hey.
We're Caviar and Wings and we're back in Napa.
I hope we actually have a car there. Sorry.
Do a thing. There is a car.
Stanley Ranch provides a house car.
It does. It's free. And they're nice.
That we can drive ourselves.
That we can drive ourselves and we can pick anyone we want that's available. Availability is key.
Well, did we check for availability?
I told them I needed one at 11:30 and they said okay. So
well, being that it's 12:06.
Oh. We'll be all right. I think we can walk this way too.
Can we?
Yeah. I've been here before.
Okay. All right, bitch.
No, I'm just saying I've been here before. For my little camera. This camera's amazing. Hey ladies.
Stop trying out.
Nobody cares. We're running extremely late to dinner. And I finally get to go to French Laundry. Thank you, Callie.
Oh, no problem if they'll take us.
I'm so excited because we're running very late, but we shall see. Hey guys. Guess where we made it to? French Laundry.
We're at French Laundry.
Finally. We tried to get a reservation here last time. It didn't work, but here we are. Here at French Laundry. Apparently, a shot of Patron is $70. Allegedly. Are we reading the menu correctly? Are we sure? Maybe it's for the table. Maybe it's all night. Maybe it's like unlimited. Okay, I'll turn it off for now until the food comes, and I'll be right back. Scrumptious. It is another beautiful day in Napa. About to go to a whole bunch of wineries, and it is very early in the morning. I don't know whose idea it was to start drinking at 10 a.m., but that's what we're doing. All right, so patiently waiting for the rest of the crew to show up so we can hit this winery. They are taking forever.
Oh, good, you're here. Arkira, come! Sahar wouldn't take my picture.
I have to record content. Caviar and Wings needs me.
Well, Sahar's probably in my picture way now. What? A little wish you're gonna need a picture.
Such is life.
But Luisa is coming right now to take care of you, okay?
Okay.
Breakfast.
Yes.
I love pistachios too.
It's my favorite nut.
Would you
My
like me
second
to?
favorite.
Nut. That is her second favorite nut.
I don't like a pistachio. I like a cashew.
I like what is the
I like all nuts.
I like almonds.
It's not
They're discriminating over here.
I do not discriminate.
How was that? Was it good?
Oh my god, Scala is amazing.
Yeah, I heard that's so good.
Scala is
love
so
lunch
good.
is- I'm excited.
Lunch is like a little.
Yeah, you used to see
Botaga-
is a chain.
Right? All that.
Is it?
I think so.
Let's Google that real quick and let folks know. Scala is amazing.
I mean, not a chain like Cheesecake Factory, but I'm saying like it's like it's another city.
Not like that.
It's not an Applebee's. Ladies and gentlemen, it's not an Applebee's. You know what else was really good that we went to for dinner was Bottega. Oh my god, it was
We just went there.
amazing.
Bottega
Yeah.
Louis? Or,
The restaurant Bottega, nothing to do with the brand, but
no, I said Bottega Louis or just Bottega.
just Bottega.
I heard about takeaway.
It's amazing. I only see one Scala location. I don't
But
see
you know
another.
Oh, is it? Because I feel like I've been there.
Do you guys know the McBride sisters story?
No. Share with
It's
us.
so good and interesting.
No, I don't.
They
Pick a song.
they met each other. Their dad died, and one was living in Australia, and the other one was living here in Napa. And they met after their dad died. The dad's family.
Wait, they were siblings but didn't know each other.
Didn't know each other,
Oh, wow.
and then got introduced after their dad died, and that's how they. And because they were both from wine regions, like Australia and Napa, they decided to start.
Oh, wow. That is pretty cool.
I can
And like, if you ever listen to the podcast, it'll make you like cry. So it's,
Really?
like, such a-
Question, when you're tasting the white wine, do you do it like the same way you do the red with the smell and stuff? Or is it
Yes, you all.
3 fingers.
3 fingers. What you do?
And
Does open up.
And the palette is more of tropical notes, like a white peach, monk. And on the right, the 2021 Warm Post. And this one is 100% Cabernet Sauvignon.
thank you. I'm very excited about the Cabernet. I always thought of something about where we were going in there, like it's so much Cabernet. That's
Yesterday was a lot of Cabernet too.
Well, you guys gotta remember, you guys came to Napa.
yeah,
And
Cabernet.
the Cabernet world. Yeah.
Oh, that's my favorite.
And-
Cabernet is my favorite.
One of the reasons is because Cabernet is very resilient to the weather. So it adapts to the different weather.
The
really
hot and
nicely.
cold.
Exactly.
Mhm.
This is what's happening.
morning, ladies. How are you doing today?
Hello.
How you doing today, Delila?
I'm great. Hungry as.
This is going on YouTube. Watch your language.
Oh, sorry, YouTube. You can edit that.
Okay.
I'm hungry because we just had 4 wines.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's how the day started.
Now I need to re-up so we can go for 8 more.
Yes. We're at Charter about to enjoy a savory lunch.
Oh, my bad.
It's okay. What happened?
I moved her camera.
Just change my angle in the middle of the shooting. Are you okay? You gonna make it? She's gonna make it. She's gonna make it. She's gonna make
The
it.
people want to know if I'm okay.
If they want to know if you're okay, she's okay, folks. They said they make this butter themselves.
Mm-hmm. A bird too.
And they have a farm
And the
for their
bread.
fresh vegetables. Make sure you subscribe and like.
Can I get a piece of the bread?
Oh my god, this butter is
Thank you.
so good. I could eat the butter by itself.
Man, we have some butter. We don't want to interrupt the
Sharing is caring. That was cute.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Where's my silver?
I'm about to put extra butter on this bread. Is that good?
Yeah, no, it's good as shit.
Is that good?
Friends are haters. They have something to say about me pulling this camera out every time we sit down.
Make sure you subscribe.
Make sure you subscribe, hit like,
Hit the
comment,
notification button so you don't miss out on anything. And make sure you follow us on Instagram and Facebook.
and TikTok
Tell your friends.
and X. We're on all the channels.
Are you on the threads? I like the threads.
You like threads?
Me too.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I got a little thread.
I gotta ask.
It feels like the urban
It's
Twitter.
like a story. It's a story every
Yeah?
time.
It feels like a little urban Twitter.
Yeah, it's so much better than Twitter. And
It
also,
is.
I wouldn't like to support Elon Musk, so.
Yeah, me neither.
That Elon Musk stock. I'm mad I didn't own it.
I mean, you could buy the stock and make money off of him, but I wouldn't support him.
So you'll never have a Tesla.
No.
You'll never own a Tesla either.
His company. I would never do that.
In my life.
I have a little Tesla.
You do. I was disappointed when I
There's
saw
someone
it.
there's someone at the table with a
Disappointed when I
Tesla.
saw it.
No, I'm gonna be really.
Oh, let me shut my camera.
So on the tastings for you,
Yes.
We're listening.
no worries, it's all good.
Sahar, are you
For the
YouTubing this?
swap in for the Chardonnay is
No,
our
but I can.
proprietary red
Are you
blend.
YouTubing this?
Shh.
It's
He's
gonna be a
explaining the
blend
wine.
of Cabernet Sauvignon and Merlot. It's about 30% Cabernet. We're also doing about 27% Merlot, and just a tiny bit of Petit Verdot for texture and fruit.
Okay. Awesome.
The Chardonnay on the single vineyard tasting is going to be our reserve Chardonnay. 5 of our best Chardonnay blocks that we're sourcing from 5 different vineyards across the Napa Valley, blended together. It's aged and fermented in Frencho. About 75% of this is going to be new Frencho. So it's going to have a little bit more creaminess, a little more fruit forward as well, because of the malolactic fermentation that is also done too. That's what you're getting more of that creamy texture from. For me, it's more creme brulee, vanilla, but you get some nice stone fruit characteristics on this as well.